Okay, this is Barcade Park. You have a good idea how much the water levels have gone up. The porta potties are out. And let's see. You can probably see some of the swing sets around there someplace. Well, it didn't reach the pool. But as you can see, lots of underwater structures. Okay, we're gonna go to another location, see what it looks like from another angle. Okay, and this is the other side of the park. The entrance is there's a pool, but you can see a lot of park is underwater. So for many of us who've lived in Lago Vista, it's not a big surprise. This happens more often than not. So the waters recede pretty quickly.